Hello everyone, I'm Andre, and in today's video I'm going to show you how this espresso maker works, the DeLonghi EC155. I have to say that I had this machine for over a year now, and it works very well, and I totally recommend it. So let's get to it. First thing we do is we turn on this button to turn the machine on, and as you will see, it only takes a couple of seconds to get ready. The OK button will go on, the green button, and that means it's hot and ready to pull some espresso shots. So in the meantime, we take the portafilter, we have it right here. We add some coffee. Now this machine comes with the plastic spoon. So as you can see, it's ready. It's ready for the espressos. So you take a full spoon like that. And we press it. You need to press it a little bit. Now a lot of people have complained about this plastic tamper here, but I don't see any problem with it. It's really easy to use, so you just press it. Make sure you don't do it too hard. And that's it. Replacing the portafilter. You get your cup, place it right here, and twist this button. There it goes. And that's pretty much it. You have your espresso in there. Here. Looks really nice. Let me show you how it looks. There you go. Nice and steamy. Now if you wanna add some milk to it, all you do is you turn on this thing the other way. So you have your milk right here. You wait for the green button to turn on again. Takes a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's ready. So you just twist this button up here. That's pretty much it. Your milk is hot now and ready to be poured. Now look at that. Alright, so check it out, DeLonghi EC155. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice time. Bye.